Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC shortcut. And in today's video, I will give you a simple shortcut key that allow you to zoom out or zoom in your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and press Windows plus icon on your Windows PC, and then magnifier is going to pop up right here, just like what you see right here. Now, this PC here has been zoomed to 200%. I can decide to zoom 300% and drag and hover my mouse all around some of the icons I want to see properly. So I can decide to come back here to zoom in, which allow me to reduce. And then if I click once again, it takes me back to the previous position. However, we can use these tools also to zoom in or zoom out some other folder. So let's, for instance, if I open up a folder here. Okay, so when I open up a folder right here, I can decide to zoom out here. This will allow me to see clearly what is actually written in some of the file right here in my folder. So when you hover your mouse, you see more details. So you can click on the area you want to click. Let's say, for instance, I want to click on here and click on it, and it give me what I have in that particular folder, just like what you see right here. So if you want to return back to your 100% magnifier, go ahead and click on this minus right here, this minus sign, and then it return back to 100%. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.